Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can perform a simulate scan body temperature on the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So we have to start from downloading this app, and of course installing it. So open it now, skip this window and close, and wait a second to close the ad. Then go to the simulation section, turn off the switchers, and if you want to start the simulate body scan body temperature, just hold the finger here. Now close the ad again. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, just click on this button and configure it by save. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.